Yeah, I'm ready to roll. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's come on with it. I ain't waiting on ready to roll, boy. Just want the motherfucking party all evening, dog. Love it when it warm up like this, man. That Miss Fair, Miss Trina, friend is alright, baby. I love it when you warm it up like that, fellas, now. Don't get about the smoke down Julie's over to my left hand side. They up here, y'all. Don't forget about my man, New Dirty. That little boy.
Don't forget about the cameraman. Y'all make sure y'all go back there and get grocery store. Hey, still want more.
Hey, smokers, do what you like. Smoke this woman up, man. Go to y'all. Like we said, don't get about that each and every Sunday. At that Big Bad Del Rio nightclub. We be doing something 10 to 2 right here. Make sure you slide in there. Cause that's that brand new happiness spot. So y'all make sure y'all come through Sunday. And don't forget about this Saturday. Icebox. Go to y'all. Also, we got that Big Bad Ox Run Mob. Also, that Oxford Hey, sorry. Don't hurt them back there, West Side. We want y'all to maintain. You got to party with the goofness, baby. Party with the goofness. Work. Like we said, we can't leave out Miss Patrice and Miss Mika, y'all. Cause they don't miss a motherfucking beat. No, they don't. So does y'all. Also, we got a special dedication going out to little Trish. Yeah, we do, girl. She may be home sleeping or two. We gonna put down with little Christian. Go to smoke.
Come on. Yeah. Keisha. You sweet Keisha.
Smoke it. Fourth and Rhode Island. Crip, 48 group. My goodness, smoke. Yeah. We gonna do mama. We gonna do this mama. Let y'all know we got started a little late, so we ain't gonna do the brick thing. We got started a little late, so we ain't gonna do the brick thing, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Come on. One more time.
It's the ice cream man.
One more time, y'all.
Hey, yo, come on.
Hey, one more time. One more time, y'all.
Very calm.
Yeah. Over on the block, good. Over on the block. Let me see back there, too. Let it warm up. What's up, Tony? Also, like I said, we got four Rhode Island here. Like we said, we got Miss Mommy. Here's the back there, Miss Mommy. I don't know what y'all did to get Miss Lord here. I don't know what the hell y'all done told her. Y'all must told her she was going elsewhere. Did you see anywhere, girl? Yeah. Hey, Big Rhonda. Hey, Big Rhonda. Good to see you, small fry. Only for the Hollywood beauties, y'all. Yes, indeed. Good to see our girls in here. Don't forget about the all around sweeties. They just roll in. I want big girls, homie on the block. Put it. Stick it. I'm just warming up, man. Good to see you back there, Miss Sonia. We just warming up back there, Tyrell.
One time, standing in the county in the
Yeah. You got some rolling in a yo. What is it that y'all win? You jump out there and the show gets lit. Rock it down. Hey, also knows, hey, come on with it.
You got to crack it, split it, dump out the bullshit, the party gong in it, lick it, light it, smoke it, now hold it for me. You like that part, dog? You got to crack it, split it, dump out the bullshit, the party gong in it, lick it, light it, smoke it, now hold it. Wait a minute, hey, yo, wait a minute. Like the rock kid, to keep the party in the sauce. They got to run around the roller. Hold it down, y'all. Hold it. I want these girls. Cowbell, how we come? Well, that's one.
That's one.
Well, that's two. Well, that's one.
Yeah.
2.
Yeah.
Freak